Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the VNN token from the Vinu network. This token is getting a brand new listing on a central exchange starting in 2 days. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So yeah, don't get it confused with other tokens with the ticker symbol Vinu. The ticker symbol for this one is VNN. I do remember at least 1 or 2 tokens having the ticker symbol Vinu, because Inu is very popular, so it's like Veet, the Veet blockchain Inu. I remember that being one. I'm sure there was another one too. So yeah, the ticker symbol for this one is VNN, and the name of the token is Vinu Network Token. So this token is a brand new project here, and there is a futures trading event happening right now on Mexc Global. It says the trading round time goes from the 27th, which is tomorrow, January 27th, and goes until the 28th, and then airdrop time is 9 a.m. UTC time, January 28th. And they have an announcement for this. They just announced this on their Twitter 2 hours ago on Mexc Global's Twitter. You can find that at MEXC_global for this this brand new token here, the VNN token. And yeah, so check that out on Mexc Global's Twitter. Now, if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. So yeah, basically you just go right through that Mexc Global referral code in the description. Open an account, fund your account, USDT, and in the trade section, you would search VNN, which is the ticker symbol for this token. So, besides that, if you want to find more information about the Vinu Network token, head over to @Vinu_network on Twitter. They just joined in, I thought it said 2023, so it's actually not a brand new Twitter. Maybe they revamped it because they only have 44 tweets, so maybe it's an old Twitter and they revamped it, but maybe not. But either way, not very active on Twitter if this is from February 2022, because that makes it an entire year old, and they only have 44 tweets, so either it's revamped or just hardly used. But either way, their webpage is vinunetwork.io. It says Vinu Network is a real economy metaverse based on stores existing in the real world. They have 2,348 Twitter followers. Now, if you head over to their official webpage, you can find information about their NFTs, their affiliate stores, global users, clients, countries, metaverse, roadmap, white paper. So it says they have over 740 affiliate stores, over 2 million users, over 187 clients, 187 clients, and 13 countries. So, what is the Vinu Network? Well, Vinu Network is a real economy metaverse based on franchises that exist in the real world. Basically, it is a new concept platform that effectively combines the real space and the metaverse with intrinsic infrastructure that involves hundreds of unmanned stores and chains. Diverse content, including NFTs, are to be incorporated, and these can be navigated with Vinu's very own wallet that can be accessed by all its members. Furthermore, through owning and operating your very own store in the Vinu space, Vinu Metaverse, you can own and operate the corresponding offline store as well. So Vinu holds a strategic partnership with CoinUp, a global company with over 30 years of experience in operating over 740 unmanned stores across Southeast Asia and Europe, and it's expanding into a variety of unmanned store projects through partnerships with global companies such as Alliance Laundry Systems, Samsung, LG, Speed Queen. CoinUp has also acquired exclusive licenses for laundry equipment, IoT technology services, 5th generation kiosks, and energy-saving artificial intelligence systems that combine mobile cloud-based equipment management services with IT technology. In addition, it is a disruptor of Speed Queen, the top brand under Alliance Laundry Systems, which is the world-leading laundry equipment company holding more than 40% of the global market, and so forth. Vinu has nurtured various businesses, networks with CoinUp's run-up franchises, along with government offices, university hospitals, hotels, resorts, military units, welfare organizations, corporate university dormitories, school corporations, and construction sites. Vinu utilizes optimized information and customized content, composing using a in-depth customer database, and covers customers' behavior patterns through effective monitoring and unmanned store franchises, which have combined market dominance for over 200,000 members worldwide. Based on this competitive advantage, Vinu is creating partnerships in various fields and will introduce them into the Vinu ecosystem through platform businesses and globalization to provide the optimum online and offline services based on popular consumer demands. So they have their vision on here about what they're going to do with their metaverse. They have in-depth stuff about their real virtual NFTs that you could check out. So there's a DAO also. So holding the token gives you voting rights on which direction the project's going to go. You can read about the technology, their marketplace, their token information is on here. It's an ERC20 token, ticker symbol VNN, total supply 2 billion tokens, 15% goes to marketing, 10% reserve, 45% ecosystem, 10% development, 10% team and advisors, 10% sales. That's how it's split up basically. Now their roadmap is on here of when they're going to launch certain parts of the project, of when they're going to be integrating real virtual metaverse, NFTs, memberships, opening the platform, DAO governance, all that type of stuff. They're going to have their own wallet as well, it says on here. Yeah, so check all this out. You can find this on Mexc Global's Twitter, or you can find it, all the info at vinunetwork.io. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know about what you guys think about the VNN token down there in the comment section. Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.